Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Instagram keeps track of your search history to make it more convenient for you, but sometimes it can be distracting when search suggestions pop up while you're trying to search. In this video, I'll show you how to remove them easily. Let's go. There are two methods for deleting search suggestions, but the quickest way to do it is directly from the search bar. Tap on the search icon. Click on the search bar, and below it, you'll see your recent searches as suggestions. To view your entire search list, select See All, and tap on Clear All to remove them at once. Another way to clear your search suggestions is by going to your profile at the bottom of your screen. Then select the three-line icon on the upper right corner. You should be able to see Your Activity. Click on it, and scroll to the bottom. Once you see Recent Searches, tap on that as well. Then select Clear All to delete your recent searches. Again, you'll be prompted to confirm this action. Just tap on Clear All to proceed. Once you've completed either of these methods, your search suggestions should have been successfully deleted from Instagram. To verify this, simply tap the search bar on the Explore page to confirm that the suggestions have been deleted. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.